From the picture you can see the tear in the CV boot. Dust, debris will get into the axle and axle grease will dry out. Over time the friction from lack of lubricate will cause serious damage to the axle bearing, a major safety concern. When you go around a turn, your axle could give away suddenly, you will lose steering and this is extremely dangerous situation. Repair CV boot often requires remove the axle and the cost to replace plus labor is very expensive. This video I will show you how to fix a tear in your CV boot quick and cheap using flex tape and flex spray liquid rubber. This helps extend the life of your CV joint shaft until you can replace it correctly.
Hello folks, this is how I made the temporary repair for the broken axle boot. And what I did is I went to Home Depot and purchased flex tape along with some Flex Seal liquid rubber. And all I did is wrap around the boot with flex tape. This will prevent any moisture and debris getting inside the axle. Then I spray the flex sealant around the area, and you can see the boot is almost new. All the cracks and small tears is now good as new. The sealant refilled all the gaps and cracks, so now everything's watertight and the debris no longer can get into the bearings. The axle boot, which has a tear, is resealed with flex tape and sprayed the liquid rubber, flex liquid rubber sealant. And now everything is dust and watertight, you can see. And the axle spins freely. There's no longer air or debris can get inside. And on this side, you can see I sprayed the Flex Seal. The boot is almost like new. All the cracks and small tears is now filled with a Flex Seal material, make it waterproof and dustproof. Flex Seal.